The Hoover washing machine E01 error code occurs when the door lock is defective, often due to an unlocked door or faulty door interlock wires. To resolve this issue, it is essential to identify the root cause. Checking whether the door is locked correctly is the first step. Starting a wash cycle and pushing the door firmly can help ensure the door interlock and catch make a good connection, which is usually accompanied by a click sound. If the door fails to lock, it may be necessary to inspect the door handle for any damage, such as a snapped handle, which can reduce the door catch tension, and either fix or replace it. Additionally, examining the door interlock wiring connections is crucial. This can be done by accessing the door lock, removing the front half of the door seal, and inspecting the wires for visible damage, such as burns or broken connections. Using a multimeter to test for continuity on the wire ends can also help determine if the wires need to be replaced. By following these steps, the E01 error code issue can be effectively resolved.